This is the cabinet, and I kind of figured out why I can't get that one to fit perfectly like that one. I forgot it's actually the second piece, which is not attached to this. So yes, guys, so the inside, each cabinet has double shelves, which is a wonderful thing for me because I got stuff to store there. I mean, not a lot of stuff, just stuff I need. You know, maybe extra candles or things that I would use for the foyer in the hallway. But I love this so much. Soft close drawers. Oh my goodness. I just need to get the top piece that goes on top so I can kind of disguise that seam. But guys, yes, I'm loving this. I'll probably put some books there or something. Who knows what I might put there, but I love this. And this is exactly why I had this mirror hanging in my foyer for about 6 months with nothing under it, is because I wanted to get something wonderful like this. So yeah, I'm going to probably change the decor that's on there because right now I'm not quite sure what I want. But these boxes here were gifted to me from a really close friend, and they're absolutely beautiful. They are gorgeous. Nice. I love them just the way they are. Guys, I wanted to share with you some more stuff that I got at IKEA yesterday, and I've been on a shopping spree. IKEA is the hit for me right now. So in that video earlier today, I was showing you the credenza, or the cabinet console, whatever you want to call it, that's in my foyer. And I also got a couple of other things. I have one thing to take back. Of course, I told you about that glass top, which does not work. But I also actually showed, I guess earlier during the week when I actually showed some stuff, I come across this knife set. Now, I'm a very minimalistic person, so I don't know about, you know, knife sets sitting on the counter. I'm not too crazy about that kind of stuff. But what I want to do, what I really wanted this for, is because they're black blades, black handles, and you know I'm all for it. So believe it or not, this set was only $19, and yeah, 90 something, whatever, $19. And I think that was a good price. And from some of the people in the store, they said these are really sharp knives. So I'm excited to take them out of the package. I won't be using, if you guys can see right there, that's a little funky little plastic stand. I'm not here for that. But I have something else that I wanted to show you. I didn't see it the first time, but when I went back to pick up those knives, I actually saw it that time. So I've been looking for some kind of lamp that goes in my office, because at nighttime, the light, you know, I don't want, you know, it's just kind of bright. I just want a kind of low light and kind of relaxing and stuff without being in the total dark at night and not having the overhead light on. So I got this lamp. It's called the, I don't know if I'm gonna pronounce it right, Sereniitee lamp. And I think it's kind of unique. That's why I chose that. I was going to get one of those task lamps, you know, that everybody has those. I wanted this one because it's a little, oh, this is a tool. It's a little different, a lot different than what I've seen. Sorry, I'm struggling with getting it out of the box. So today, putting that cabinet together. I've broken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingernails. I was getting ready to take them off anyway because they lasted a full week without even losing one. And I thought that was pretty darn good because I'm usually losing them, yeah, all, you know, constantly. But I guess because I was doing that cabinet, it kind of... All right. So it comes with 2 white globes. So these are the globes that come with. So, oh, if I drop this, I'm gonna be mad. So that globe sits on top. Oh my goodness, please. I'm gonna drop it and then I'm gonna be pissed. I think this lamp was like $39-ish, something like that. But anyway, oh, it's a heavy, heavy freaking base. I'm excited. So let me put it together for you. But this is the lamp and it goes like... Alright, I'm back. So I went ahead and put the lamp together, and this is what it looks like. Guys, isn't this beautiful? It's so unique, this design here, and these 2 globes. This is really, really a nice, heavy, it's really heavy lamp. So of course you control it with this toggle switch here, and oh, it's nice. It's a really nice lamp. Now, however, this is a chrome lamp, and in my office I have gold accents. So you better know that I'm gonna spray paint that baby gold to match, and it's gonna look so good sitting on my glass desk. So I wanna say I think that is all that I got from IKEA yesterday. But in case I remember something else, I will show you, I guess, in the next video, so, or the next day. So guys, this is all for today, and I'll see you later on in the week. Good morning, everyone. Today it's Saturday. Yes, the last Saturday in February. I'm not sure why I'm so all excited, but it's the last Saturday in February, and it's been a challenging one. First off, I want to say I am short of footage. So I was filming earlier this week when I was putting up my credenza in the hallway, and I was in such a good mood, had my music playing, and then there's some other footage and stuff. I can redo some, but I can't redo, you know, my actually putting together that credenza. But anyway, lost footage is lost footage. I gotta do better. But anyway, I am here in the kitchen. No, I haven't done anything to that backsplash, but I'm gonna work on it today. Promise you today, because today and tomorrow is probably the last couple of days that I'll be doing some filming for this week's video. So I like to record and then upload and edit, and record a little bit, add on and upload per day. But this week has been really challenging because of the weather and stuff, the ice, and the kids being home. It was just only 1 or 2 days, but it was just really, oh, I was tired. Several days I got off from work and I sit down and I fell asleep immediately. So anyway, I'm having my coffee this morning, and I have a few plans. I need to take that glass top. I don't know if that's some of the lost footage, but the glass top I got to go on the credenza is white. I thought it was just a peel off, like white, you know, to protect the glass, but it wasn't. It is white, so it doesn't go with that, and I have no other use for it, so I will take it back to IKEA today. And I was telling you guys I finished with my curtains. Yeah, one of them need a little bit of touch up, but I'm happy with the way they turned out. For the ones in my dining area, let me turn it around and show you. For the ones in my dining area, so these curtains are the ones that I had altered to have a double pleat. So I actually took them down and took the stitch out, and I tried to make just a single pleat. It's still kind of creased. It wants to go its way, but I have to work on that one. But this is actually what the curtain should kind of look like. I really like the way that it kind of gives that little bit of, you know, dressed up appearance. And this is absolutely my favorite. So that was the most simple. I did run the rod through, but I had to create a single pleat to get that to stay that way. So anyway, this worked out perfectly, and so does the length. I think these are 108 length, so they do kind of, you know, drag the floor a little bit, and I'm okay with that. Now these are 120-inch curtains because I have them up so high. Now I could bring them down a little bit, but I don't want to. I like exactly how high that I have them in here. But the only problem is that they don't touch the floor. And I'm still okay with that, even though I let the hem out. I did decide that I wanted this arrangement on my dining room table. And it's looking pretty good. Now, some of the footage that I did lose was to show you guys this room, the curtains. And I was telling you guys I was going to get the fabric chairs, or the Parson chairs, I think they're called. So I have 6 in my cart. They're rather expensive from Restoration Hardware, but maybe if I get a couple at a time, maybe the 2 end ones I can start out with, and then work on the other ones, you know, a couple at a time. Okay, guys, I wanted to share with you something else that I got. So about a month ago, I got this little card from Sephora, and it has samples of like 15 different perfumes. And I don't wear perfumes a lot, because you know, where I work. So I wanted to start to wear perfumes because I like perfumes, but I really like the mild, fresh scent perfumes. So I chose a few of the perfumes that was on the list, but I ordered the small samples, and I didn't get one because it was out of stock, but I did get 3 of those. And these are 2 of them. So I've heard a lot about, if you can see this, Replica. So Replica by the Fireplace, their fragrance family is warm and spicy. The scent type is warm, sweet, gourmands. So the key notes in that cologne is clove oil, chestnut accord, and vanilla accord. So in this description of it, it says the warm scent combines orange flower, clove oil, and chestnut atop a comforting vanilla fragrance to recreate the signature warmth and the coziness of a cracking fire. Now, I don't know what a cracking fire smells like, but I guess Replica is it. Now, however, it is not the #1 fragrance. And I have another one. This is called My Way. My Way is in the family of floral. And it is a classic floral scent type. And the key notes are orange blossom, tuberose, and vanilla. I guess I like vanilla because I think all 3 of them has vanilla in it. This feminine fragrance combines consciously sourced ingredients from around the world in a blend of woody and floral notes. Bergamot meets Egyptian orange blossom in a sparkling start, amplified by Indian tuberose and jasmine. At the base, white musk and cedarwood from Virginia combined with vanilla from Madagascar. Yummy. It smells so good. That is, and then I have the other one. I actually threw away the box, and it is Atelier Cologne. And let's see, it is also a warm and spicy family. And the scent type is warm and sweet gourmands. And guess what? The keynotes are vanilla, lime, and amber. I like me some vanilla. So the fragrance description is Vanilla Intense is a modern take on a vanilla perfume. This sweetness of the seed and the bitterness of the vanilla pod from Madagascar are freshened by lime and coriander. And the result, a perfume Nora cocktail, then cupcake. Anyway, guys, I am out here in the garage and it is cold. It's cold outside and it's raining, so that just makes it double trouble. Anyway, this is a kind of drawing of the backsplash and the size. So what I'll be doing is cutting out insert that goes over the behind the vent hood over my rain. I'm not the best carpenter in the house, but I got half of it up. So next I have to do the bottom half, but that is going to be a little bit more intricate because I have to cut out the move this out of the way. There's that barking dog again. So this is going to be a little bit more difficult for me because I have to cut out the switch plates. I think I'm going to, so there's 2 switches over there. There's 2 switches on that wall, and then there's 2 switches on that back wall. I haven't even measured the drywall for that area, and I'm just over it already. But you know what? I chose to do this rather than pay somebody. Ooh, Lord Jesus, help me.